Welcome back my YouTube channel Dollar Mint Old Coin. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's bound to pique your interest. The 50 Dirham 1998 Qatar coin. Did you know this coin, with a face value of 50 dirhams, could be worth up to $500 in today's market? Stick around to learn about its history, its significance, and how you can make this coin a prized piece in your collection. First things first, let's get familiar with the 50 Dirham coin from Qatar, minted in 1998. This coin is part of the country's rich numismatic history, with its design reflecting both tradition and modernity. Qatar, known for its vast oil reserves and modern economy, is also famous for its rich cultural heritage. This coin was issued to commemorate the leadership of Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, who was the emir of Qatar during that time. His leadership ushered in a period of significant economic and cultural change for the country. Now, let's take a closer look at the design of this iconic coin. On the obverse side, we can see a simple yet elegant depiction of Qatar's national emblem, the sword crossed with two traditional daggers, symbolizing the strength and history of Qatar. The year of minting, 1998, is clearly visible, and the coin's denomination of 50 dirhams is inscribed in both Arabic and English, making it recognizable worldwide. On the reverse, the coin features a more intricate design. It showcases a stylized version of the Doha skyline, representing Qatar's booming cityscape and modern aspirations. The contrast between the traditional emblem and the modern skyline is a striking representation of the country's evolution. While it may seem like just another coin, the 50 Dirham 1998 Qatar coin holds significant numismatic value. So, why is this coin worth $500? Well, let's explore the factors that drive its price point. One key factor is the rarity of the coin. The 50 Dirham coin was not widely circulated outside of Qatar. Only a limited number were ever minted, which makes it highly sought after by collectors. Coins from smaller countries, especially those with limited production, can fetch a much higher price due to their scarcity. Another reason for its high value is its condition. Coins in pristine, uncirculated condition are always worth more. If you happen to come across a 50 Dirham 1998 coin in mint condition, you could be sitting on a gold mine. Now, let's talk about the investment potential of this coin. While many coins depreciate in value over time, rare and limited edition coins like the 50 Dirham 1998 can actually appreciate, especially when the demand among collectors increases. Over the years, we've seen the prices of coins like these soar at auction houses. Collectors and investors are always on the lookout for items with historical significance, and the 50 Dirham 1998 is no exception. Not to mention, with Qatar's continued economic prosperity and growing global influence, the demand for items related to the country will only rise. Are you interested in owning or selling this rare coin? Well, here are some tips on how to buy or sell the 50 Dirham 1998 for a fair price. First, make sure you're dealing with reputable dealers. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Numisbids are great places to find valuable coins like this. But remember, always verify the authenticity of the coin before making any transaction. When selling, make sure you provide a detailed description of the coin's condition, including close-up images of both sides. Also, consider getting the coin certified by a professional grading service. A coin graded as MS-70, mint state, will command a much higher price than one that is simply described as used. Looking ahead, what does the future hold for this coin? Will its value continue to climb, or will it stabilize? As with most collectibles, market trends can be unpredictable, but given Qatar's continued global prominence and the coin's limited mintage, it's likely that the 50 Dirham 1998 will continue to hold its value, and possibly even grow in the coming years. While it's always important to do your research before investing, this coin seems to have staying power among numismatists. So, if you get your hands on one, it might just be a great investment for the future. So, there you have it. The 50 Dirham 1998 Qatar coin is more than just a piece of currency. It's a piece of history, and its value is skyrocketing. If you're a coin collector or simply looking to learn more, make sure to keep this one on your radar. That if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 50 Dirham coin, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting video on rare coins and collectibles. Drop a comment below if you've ever come across one of these coins, or if you're considering adding it to your collection. Until next time, happy collecting!